What is the most important quality a Mr. Friendship International title holder should possess? And how do you exemplify that quality?
I do believe that one of the qualities of being a true Mr. Friendship is being optimistic. I am someone who strives hard despite of those challenges in life. I always see the positivity to everything, to every challenges. And I want to tell a story. When I was young, I grew up being bullied because I was overweight. People tend to call me ugly, fat, and I lost hope for that. I lost my confidence. And there was one time, one friend who talked to me and told me, be yourself and don't ever give up in life. Because if you believe in yourself, then no one would ever let you down. And now I am here standing in front of you, reading those words of wisdom. And despite of those negativity and hatred, I am still striving and pursuing my dreams. And winning the title isn't just a personal achievement for me, but it is a great platform, an opportunity for me to inspire young people. And to inspire young people, and if we all live in a world that we value friendship and brotherhood, then we all live in a world that is full of love and unity. Mayong gabi.
Your question is, if you could collaborate with one international organization or group or leader to spread the message of friendship and unity, which would it be and why?
If I were given a chance to collaborate in an international organization, that would be the Mr. Friendship International. Because I believe that advocacy of Mr. Friendship is not just about respect, camaraderie, but it is about spreading love towards one another. And I was able to experience the love when we have our sponsored visit in Talisay City in the Home of the Elders. I was able to know them and to share my story with them. And I am here right now having this platform to share their story as well. That there is someone that is trying and having problems that needs care and love. And we are proud to have this organization. That will be all. Salamat.
As Mr. Friendship Philippines, how would you use your platform to promote friendship and unity across different cultures? You want me to repeat it? As Mr. Friendship Philippines, how would you use your platform to promote friendship and unity across different cultures?
As a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, I will use my platform with a purpose. And I will use this to help others that need that some friends are that friendship is always to make a brotherhood that can make a family. So family is the one of the important. So this friendship, Mr. International Friendship can help to make a bond and also to make a brotherhood that make a that's all.
In a world where social media often divided us, how can you use it to foster positive connections and promote inclusivity?
I know that social media may be bad or good, depending on how we use it. But if I were to use social media, I would use it to spread diversity and inclusivity. In turn, to promote also my advocacy, which centers around a healthy lifestyle and fitness, because I believe that physical and mental well-being is our priority. And I hope to inspire people to prioritize their health, and so that in turn we can create stronger and more vibrant connections. Together, let's build a world where fitness fuels not just our bodies, but our friendships too. Thank you.
What does friendship mean to you? And how do you plan to embody this in your role as Mr. Friendship Philippines?
Ladies and gentlemen, hear me when I say friendship is leadership. I believe we need a leader who stands firm above any challenges, and my life is my testimony. I came from a broken family and have conquered a lot of challenges that I have faced alone. My mother is an OFW and my father is a police officer. I was always alone, and I believe my loneliness is not a weakness, but it has made me stronger. And that my personality, my life, it made me someone who is fit to become a leader, and that is someone who can lead Mr. Friendship International Philippines to a brighter future. Because I, my friends, my brothers, we all support each other, and that we are as one, we can build an inclusive community where diversity flourishes and everyone feels included, everyone feels safe, and that we can be successful all in all together. Thank you.